Oh shit.
What to do with you?
Give it a lap dance. Oh my god, I thought the whole chair was gonna roll over.
What broke? Something broke. My diamond came out of my ear. You want to? Oh. How should I do my legs? I can't even get my legs up. Let me get out of this real quick.
Try to do it over there and stairs. Do a ghetto. Oh my god. Oh.
You know what? Like I always say, what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. So get back up and try again. Okay. That didn't turn out good. You know what? No lap dance. None.